just relaxing. I figured instead of just sitting here all day, let's go fishing because it's not raining. It was supposed to rain and it hasn't rained a single bit. And well, if you know me, I'm gonna take most of the chances I can to do a bunch of fishing. It is Sunday. We're not gonna go up to one of the better spots to go fishing, but let's go see if we can even get a bite down by the river. We're just gonna head down the road and check it out, see what we can get into. If not, well, at least we tried. Waiting for this mail, because once we get this mail, we can actually go make a plan and go do something. But I may be stuck here for the next 2 or 3 days until we figure out this mail situation, which is absolutely frustrating. Like, I could probably wait until next paycheck before my credit card comes in. And I hope that's not the case. If it is, I'm going to be a little bit, frustrated and annoyed. But yeah, instead of, doing nothing and sitting in the van waiting, let's go find something to do. We'll see you guys down by the river. I don't even know if the fish will bite here, so we're gonna set up the rod and throw it in the river. I don't know if that's too fast or what. We're kind of just learning right now, but this is supposed to be a good fishing spot. But maybe the water's too high. I have no idea. All right, let's give it a shot. See what happens.
20 minutes later.
I'm not really feeling this spot. I think the water's just too fast. Let's see if we can find another spot. A little bit better. That might be okay. It might be a little fast. Might be a spot down there. Oh, let's try this spot first. Maybe we'll have some luck. I'm not even seeing any fish surfacing here, so keep looking. We'll find somewhere to fish. Well, I'm not seeing a single thing here. No fish surfacing. No fish biting. It's pretty shallow. So we need to find another spot. This place no go. Well, this looks promising. We got a good 150 feet shore we can cast from. Yeah. See if there's any fish here. There should be. I don't see why there shouldn't be. Seems like a high traffic area. They got to get upstream to get up to the hatchery. It's throw the line in the water and see what happens. I don't know if it's gonna make any difference, but we're gonna throw a bobber on this and change it up to a jig and try it out. I could try a spoon, but we'll try the jig first.
Twenty minutes later.
This spot's a terrible place to go. I've lost 3 jigs in less than, what, 20 minutes? There's like underground snags in here. This is a terrible spot. Terrible, terrible. Alright, let's move down maybe 30 feet. Maybe we'll have a little better luck. Because that's terrible luck. Extremely terrible luck. Can't believe that. 3 jigs.
A few minutes later. A few minutes later.
So I lost my brand new spoon that I spent like $8 on because my clasp snapped. I probably snagged a tree and there was no way I was getting it back, but that sucks. Like, really sucks. Yeah, I'm done for now. I'm gonna pack up and head back to the van. Maybe we'll do a little bit of fishing. I don't know. We'll see. If I can find a good parking spot at another location and it's easy to get access to, then maybe we'll go fishing. Yep, let's head back. We'll go find a new spot, or we'll go find somewhere to stay for tonight. Give it a little bit of walk back to the van. Alright. That is okay with me. Shorten this hand. Alright guys, see you guys back at the van. Alright, we're back at the van. It's getting late, but we got about an hour and a half of daylight left. So there's one other location I haven't checked out on the Capilano River. Didn't go there because I was just ran out of time that other day when I was scouting out fishing locations. But we're just down the street, so we might as well cross the river, go up the road and see if we can find a parking spot. See how good the hike is. If it's a good hike, then we'll grab the fishing rod and the tackle box and go for a little fishing trip down the hill. But I have no idea. When I looked it up, Google says it's a little bit of a steep climb, so we'll see. We'll see how it is. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll see you guys down the road. Getting dark already. Holy crap. Yeah, it's time to pack her up. That was fun anyways. Found a few spots that we could fish. Now I gotta remind myself, mark it in my fishing journal, like what I should bring. This place would be good to bring a fly rod. Now, there's a bunch of houses there, but once you get around this corner, there's no houses. So I could stay up here, but yeah, we're gonna move on. That, eh? Porsches, Mustangs, Corvettes, Audis, Mercedes, Jaguars, Ferraris. Wow. Look at that, eh? I don't see any Lamborghinis off the top of my head. That's pretty darn cool. Alright, time to go have a shower. Well, found myself a little spot to park. I'm all done my shower. Yeah, today's been a good day. I mean, other than the fact that we didn't get any fish, which is alright. I mean, we're trying, right? That's what counts, is we're putting the line in the water, even though we lost like 5 jigs, 1 spinner, and a bobber. Oh well, that's alright. It's unfortunate I keep losing gear, but it's definitely difficult to fish in an area you've never fished before. You don't know the depth, you don't know what's under the water, and I'm pretty sure like the local fishermen are probably just laughing at me for losing all my gear, but what can you do, right? You're learning. I'm just glad I didn't pay full price for all those jigs, right? I just paid like $1, $2 here and there for a couple jigs here and there. Yeah, we'll grab some more someday and we'll keep trying. Capilano is definitely harder than the other river. The stave, I mean, it doesn't help that we have a local area expert teaching us exactly where to fish and what to use, how to use it, what depth it is, and everything like that. It's all said and done. Now we're trying a new river, new type of fish. We're trying for Chinooks or king salmon, and yeah, we're not getting any bites. We're seeing activity in the water, we're just not getting them on the hook, and that's the goal. But hey, we're gonna keep trying, and we're gonna continue on fishing until we get what we're looking for. And maybe it's 1 Chinook, maybe it's 4 Chinook, I don't know. That would be awesome to put 4 king salmon in the freezer. Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed today. Hopefully you guys have had a good day yourselves. There's nothing like, you know, doing something you don't love to do and doing it over and over again with repetition, and then just getting you so depressed going to work and not being able to get out in nature and recharge. So remember to go out in nature and recharge. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like on the video, the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys in the next episode.